Guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to download Apex Legends on PC. In order to do it, you have to follow the steps. So here comes what you need to do is I'm gonna use Steam. So you could use any other applications like EA games as well. So what here you need to do is actually have to install Steam on your PC first thing first. So click on the install button, run the exe file, and once you've completely installed it, you want to launch open the Steam. As you've done it, you want to then come to the library tab, or you could just go to the store sections, and on the search bar in the right hand side corner you want to simply type in Apex Legends. When you locate it, then you want to open this up. It will then take you to their official page. So what next you want to do is scroll down to the bottom and click on add to library, or you could just go ahead and click on play game. As you click on play game, it's gonna ask you to select the drive where you want to install. Click on the install button, and then you want to accept the terms and conditions, all that, and follow the on-screen prompt and install Apex Legend on your PC. That is basically how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.